Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to motion track hands using Capcut. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we want to do is open up Capcut. Then from here we can continue on with an old project or select new. I'm going to select a new project. And then from here I'm going to choose my project I want to add in to track hands. So I want to track these hands here. So in order to do this, I need to click onto the video and now scroll down, scroll left to right, and we need to click onto camera tracking. Here it is here. And then click on camera tracking again. And then it'll say select tracking subject. So we've got face, body, hands. So we need to click on hands and then click on track. And if it says this, selected subject not found, yada yada, that's okay, we can fix that. So we can do a custom. And mind you, these are pro features inside Capcut. So if you don't have pro, you will not be able to use these features. I will leave a link in the description below so you can try Capcut Pro for 7 days. Alright, so from here, select custom and now move this custom over the hand like so. And now that's going to go ahead and track that. So go ahead and click on track. And as you can see, it's doing its thing. And it says the tracking subject is lost. So what we're going to do is create a new custom one. Move this on that other hand like so. Just a matter of playing around with it and then click continue. Now this is going to load tracking. So give it a few moments to do its thing. Alright, and then it'll say camera tracking completed. And then click the tick like so and then press play. And then you'll see Capcut will track the hands in this video like so. Once you're done, you can export this video and upload this video to your favorite social medias as well.